Hi everyone, welcome to Wellness Munch. So as we have decided today to discuss on superfood. Now what happens, superfood has got its fair share of attention these days, and the moment we talk about superfood, everyone is like, oh my god, what is it? Am I missing anything which I must include in the diet? So we thought let's discuss about superfood, which is extremely pocket friendly, because what we have already seen, the moment there is a tag of superfood with some food, like any food for that matter, the price goes up. Fortunately, I thought let's talk about some food which is absolutely a superfood but very pocket friendly. Now what is it? It is beetroot. Yes, we are talking about beetroot as superfood. Now why beetroot is a superfood? First thing first, what are the benefits that makes beetroot a superfood? Hear me out. Nutritionally, it's great source of protein as well as vitamins and minerals and fiber. Protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. Now what are the vitamins? Specifically folate. Okay, folate is the vitamin which is a very rich source, we see in the beetroot. So that is there. Plus it's a good source of calcium, phosphorus, sodium, iron and many more. Okay, so you cannot really from the nutritional point of view, you cannot really ignore beetroot. Now not only from the nutritional point of view, apart from that, it has such phytochemicals which makes beetroot special. Now why that? Beetroot is red, right? The moment you cut it, all over your hand it's red in color. Now what happened, this pigment itself is a great antioxidant. Okay, since it acts as a great antioxidant, it is anti-inflammatory in nature. So if you're somebody who is suffering from obesity, maybe diabetes, maybe some liver disease, right? So this food can be the game changer, provided you're having it on a daily basis. Don't expect like once in a while you're having it and it is going to do its job. It is not, definitely. You got to have it every single day to get the good health benefits of it. Apart from that, if you're someone who is having high blood pressure, okay, again beetroot is a great choice for you. Why? Because beetroot contains nitrate. Okay, now that's a compound which once you consume, it gets into your body, it converts into nitric oxide, and the moment this nitric oxide formed, it actually helps to dilate your blood vessels. Now what happened when you are having blood pressure problem? That means the blood vessels are thin enough, or they are shrinking, so that the moment blood is flowing through your blood vessels, it has to create an extra pressure, correct? Now this beetroot helps to dilate the blood vessels. That's why your systolic blood pressure, be it systolic or diastolic, both the blood pressure comes under control, and it's a proven fact. It's a proven fact. Okay, so generally what we see that after consuming beetroot, within 2 to 3 hours this nitric oxide actually starts showing its action. Okay, so if you're someone who is having high blood pressure, you must consider beetroot in your daily diet. Apart from that, not only for controlling blood pressure, it has been seen if you have some kid or someone in the family who is athlete, like who are into sports, then in that case also we have seen beetroot works wonder. Why? Because it actually help for the cardiorespiratory performance of the player. So suppose someone is playing and you got to be on the field for a longer period of time, right? You cannot be lethargic in the middle of the game. So then generally what happened, you got to keep your stamina high, right? And to provide that stamina, beetroot helps a lot. Why? Because it actually boosts the performance of your mitochondria. What is mitochondria? It's in your cell. It's a part of your cell which we call the powerhouse of the cell, because mitochondria is responsible to process your food and to make them to generate the energy out of that food. Okay, so that's the unit which helps to do this job. Now beetroot helps to improve the performance of mitochondria. That's why if there's any athlete or you are going for a sport or a game and you are going to be on the field for a longer period of time, do not forget to have beetroot. Apart from that, as I have already mentioned, that it helps in the anti-inflammatory nature, it helps in the obesity control, cardiovascular disease management, liver disease management, even it helps to prevent cancer. The patients, in fact, for the treatment of cancer also we use beetroot. Why? Because again, since it's anti-inflammatory in nature, and especially when the patients go through the chemotherapy and other therapy, medical therapy that is going on, what we have seen, beetroot is a great support to keep the stamina and to provide the anti-inflammatory nature through food for that patient. So beetroot is very, very important. Apart from that, don't forget it is very good and it's a very high source of fiber. Since it's a good source of fiber, what it does, the moment you have beetroot, it actually helps to feed the good bacteria in your gut. I'm sure you are aware that in our gut, the system is not sterile, right? Our entire digestive system, it's not sterile. There are so many trillions of bacteria present. Now, there are good bacteria as well as bad bacteria. Of course, you need the good bacteria. Good bacteria should overpower always, control the situation, and bad bacteria should be there, but it should be under control. Now, what happens when you have beetroot? It actually helps to feed the good bacteria. So good bacteria thrive better, when you're having beetroot on a daily basis. Apart from that, beetroot also, since it's a good source of insoluble as well as soluble fiber, it helps to increase the stool volume. It increase the stool output. So if you're constipated, you complain of constipation, again this is a very, very good choice. Now, what generally happen, people often ask, like, how can I have beetroot? One thing is very clear, that the moment you cook beetroot and have it, it has its benefit, definitely. Whatever the benefits I have discussed, it has it all. But if you're having beetroot raw, it gives you even more benefit. Then you're getting the entire benefit. So the best way to add beetroot in your daily diet is either you make juice or you add it in your salad, right? Now, what happens if you're adding it in salad, chewing the beetroot, it may not be really acceptable for everybody. So then the choice you're left with is, why don't you make juice of it, right? Now, what happened when you make juice of it, what happened, you can have a whole beetroot, just juice it out, and then you can immediately gulp it down. So then, you get all the health benefits. But you may feel the beetroot powder is, you can add any fresh fruit juice in it. What I personally do, you can add if there's a pomegranate juice in my what I personally do, I just crush the pomegranate in my juice in the store. I just crush the pomegranate and add the pomegranate juice. If you don't have pomegranate, then maybe you can add some orange or most. If you don't have pomegranate, then maybe you can add some juice or fruit pulp along with the juice and the pulp. Then it increases juice of fruit pulp along with the juice and the pulp. The fiber content of the drink, as well as it becomes tasty. So I find this hack very useful, as well as it becomes like it. Please, so I find this hack very useful. Try to bring like it into the practice, and let us follow this. Try to bring it into the practice. Need not to say the moment let us know how was your experience on a daily basis. Need not to say the moment you'll have the hair juice on a daily basis improve, because the skin quality, it's a great anti-inflammatory, it has a great anti-inflammatory, it's a great anti-inflammatory, you will, it has a great energetic property, and of course it is nutritious, and it's feel more energetic drink as well, and of course it is nutritious. Try to practice this, try to bring this drink as well in practice. In fact, few days back I posted a poll also in the group, in practice, where I asked, in fact, few days back I posted a poll also in the group juice, where I asked few of you what is actually clearly mentioned that it's the lack of time juice, and few of you have clearly mentioned that it's the lack of time, doesn't taste good, and few of both you I agree with, definitely no, it doesn't taste good. But if you are not having beetroot both I agree with, definitely, then but if you are not having beetroot juice because of lack of your time, or if you are not liking the taste, then maybe you can add some fresh fruit juice, liking the taste, then maybe you can add some fresh fruit juice, improve the taste pulp. I hope the video was useful. If it was, what you have to do, the taste I hope the video was useful. If it was, what you have to do. Yes, the content was useful for you. The like button. And if you have any queries or questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. And if you have any queries or questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I take it. Hi Nasir, first of all. Answer this. Hi, I have an acidity problem. Can I take it? Hi Nasir, first of all. Acidity problem can you have? Of course you can. You know what? For acidity, it's acidity problem can you have? Very, of course you can. You know what? For acidity, it's until and unless you start having it, you cannot really say whether it is suiting you or not. Until and unless you start having it, you cannot really say whether it should not generally create any further acidity. Generally, it should not. You try it out. Create any further acidity. The situation is getting worse, or it's still you try it out, right? That is the best way. The situation is getting worse, evaluate how it is going to react to your body. That is the best way. I hope so. The video evaluate how it is going to react to your body. You can. I hope. Okay. So the video was useful. If you have any further questions, you can. Okay. Thank follow this. We will be coming live now. You can follow this. We will be coming live now. Planning to bring something extra, something interesting. Since the new year is especially for our bomb friends. Something extra. Let's see how it goes. Especially for our bomb friends, and have us. Let's see how it goes ahead. Till then, stay happily, healthy, and have a great week ahead. Okay. Bye-bye. Stay happily healthy. Follow this. I hope the video was useful. If it was, what you have to do. All you just hit the like button. Let me know that yes, the content was useful for you. And if you have any queries or questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll definitely answer this. Stay happily healthy.